Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. I found an awesome transfer that I think would be perfect for Father's Day. It's called Grill Master. It's really cute and I am working on putting it on an apron. How many men do you know aren't king of the grill? I know mine is. Anyway, of course, there's lines on this one to cut. So you just cut them apart and then label the backs of them so you can put them back on the right side, sticky side to glossy on the backing. Now here I am doing the inking on the main part of the grill, and I believe the color is Storm. And these are inks, which I will later make permanent, and it's washable. Yay! Okay, the fire on the grill are 2 layers. So I put the first layer on, which I use yellow. And now I'm doing grilling and chilling, which is perfect for Father's Day, right? And then the and in the middle. There's so many other parts to this one. There's number 1, Dad. There's a hot dog in there. There's a lot of different things. So you just got to mix and match it, do the way you want. Now, I was showing you the ink. It's an orange color. Well, I don't have an orange ink. I have paste, but not ink. So I mixed the yellow with the red and got the orange. And then on this big flame, I first did it in yellow, and then I just took a little bit of the orange on that outline and just kind of blended it in a little bit to give that variation of color. And then on top of it, I put the master grill on my grill in red, and then some of the utensils back in the Storm color. We have a metallic silver, but it's pretty glittery, so I didn't think he'd appreciate it that much. So we went with just the regular Storm. So if you enjoy this video and you would like to shop or be a designer like me, just go to cheriequiswell.couture.com. Thanks for watching, everybody. This was fun.